In this lesson, I'm going to explain about annotating the views of our layout. So we can add text and dimension to our views. So for adding annotation, go to this annotate tab, and from here we can select the tools which are required. For example, let's first start with radius. Click this drop down and select radius. Now we will choose this zoomed view or the detailed view and apply the radius. As you can see, the dimension sizes are very small, so we need to increase it. For that, click this small arrow, click modify, then select fit tab and change this overall scale, then press OK and close it. As you can see, the dimension is visible now. That was the radius of this little circle, which was changed this scale factor. We can also apply dim. For example, choose linear and click on this point and this point. Similarly, all the dimension can be applied throughout the views. Apart from this, you will be able to use other dimensions such as angular and arc length, etc. if it is required in your layout. Next, let's add some text. For that, we are going to use multi-line text. Type mtext at command prompt and press enter. Let's place it here to indicate the top view of our drawing. We will write the top view here and close the text from this tab. As you can see, the text is too small. We need to modify it. For that, double click, highlight the text. To highlight the text, press Ctrl A to select all the text and change the unit value to something larger. Let's say 10 unit and close the text. If you want to align the text into one line, click this arrowhead and drag right side. So these annotations are completely associative. That simply means if you change the parameter in model space, then the change will also be reflected in this layout. For example, here we have this radius of 15 unit which was applied to this fillet. Now let's try to change the radius from 50 unit to 20 unit in the model space. Now we are in model space, and here we have the fillet. To change the radius of this fillet, first we need to delete this radius, then apply new radius. For this, go to extrude command, click this drop down, select delete face, then choose the fillet and press enter to complete the command. As you can see, fillet is deleted. Now if you go back to our layout view, you will find that exclamation mark over here and yellow box in the right corner, indicating that some dimensions are disassociated. Now in order to reassociate, we can create new radius here. Select fillet and press enter, choose R and press enter, then give new radius which is 20 units, then choose the edge and press enter twice. Now let's see what happens. As you can see here, our old radius is replaced with new radius and this association was resolved. In this way, whatever change you make in model space, that will be replaced in layout view as long as our view is associated. This means that we don't need to change or replace manually in layout view. So this was all about annotating our drawings in the layout view.